Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Zoom app internet connection error on Android. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. Once it's open, tap the search bar at the bottom of the screen. Type in Zoom Workplace and tap it from the search results that appear. This will take you to the Zoom app page. Now look for the Update button right beside Zoom Workplace. If you see an Update button available, go ahead and tap it to update your app to the latest version. This is important because outdated versions often cause connection issues. However, if you don't see an update button, like in my case, that means your Zoom app is already up to date, so you can skip this step. Next, exit the Play Store and tap on Settings in your mobile device. Once you're in Settings, tap on Apps. This will show you all the applications installed on your phone. From the list of apps, tap on Zoom to access its specific settings. On the Zoom app settings page, tap Force Stop. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to force stop the app. Tap OK to confirm. Force stopping the app clears any temporary glitches that might be preventing it from connecting properly to the internet. After that, tap on Storage and Cache. At the top of this screen, you'll see an option to clear cache. Tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that could be interfering with the app's performance. This often resolves connectivity problems without losing any of your important data or settings. Now tap back to return to the Zoom settings page. Tap back again to go to the apps menu and tap back one more time to return to the main settings screen. From here, scroll down and tap on System. This section contains important device-wide settings that can affect app performance. Once you're in System settings, scroll down and tap on Date and Time. Incorrect date and time settings are a surprisingly common cause of connection errors in apps like Zoom because they rely on accurate time synchronization for security purposes. Look for the automatic time zone option and tap the toggle switch right beside it to turn it on. This ensures your device always has the correct time based on your location. Now restart your phone completely. This allows all the changes you've made to take effect and gives your device a fresh start. After your phone restarts, open Zoom again and check if the internet connection error is resolved. In most cases, these steps should fix the problem and get you back into your meetings without any issues. However, if nothing else works and you're still experiencing the error, your last option is to reinstall the Zoom app completely. This gives you a clean installation and often solves persistent problems that other methods can't fix. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.